Hey guys, I'm going to go through a step-by-step tutorial on how to mint your dehedge DAO NFTs. Now I'm going to start from the very beginning, which is a centralized exchange. Now I'm going to be using Binance for this tutorial, but you can use any exchange. It's just Binance is the most popular one and is my preferred exchange, but you can use pretty much any exchange, and it's very similar to Binance. Most of them are very similar, so it won't be a difference. It's just Binance is not supported in the US, I think, and some other countries, but yeah, let's go through this tutorial then. So first you're going to want to make an account with Binance. You have to go through the sign up process, but if you already have that, then you can just log in. Okay, so now once you're logged in, you're going to want to go to wallet, then fiat and spot, or you can go to deposit, then go to deposit fiat. Sometimes it opens the fiat first, so you don't have to click here, but if it opens deposit crypto, then go to deposit fiat. And you can deposit whatever you have. If your bank card or your bank transfer is with Euro or USD, you can choose that. But for me it will be Euro. Then you go to either bank transfer, which takes 1 to 3 days, or you can use your bank card. I always do bank card because it's instant. It takes like 5 minutes maybe. So you can go to continue. So if you're a new user, you're going to want to put a card number and your card details so that you can deposit the money here. But for me it will just show up. So you just write how much money you want to deposit. Let's say 300, then you just go continue, and basically after that you will receive the money on in Binance. Then once you see that your money is in the wallet of your Binance, then you can go to trade and Binance convert. Then from there you're going to want to go to the first one and select whatever currency you deposited first, which for me would be Euro. Then the second one, you want to type USDT, and there you can just swap them. So this is basically you're swapping your Euro or your fiat to a cryptocurrency, which is going to be USDT for now, so that you can bridge it to the redlight chain, and you will have USDT-R instead. So we will be using the Binance Smart Chain. So to use it, you need BNB to pay for gas fees. So you need to transfer some USDT, or you can use your fiat currency to transfer to BNB, I think. Now $10 should be enough should last you a long time in BNB. You don't need more than $10, especially if you're just going to use it for the hedge. You even $1 should be enough. So but you can put $10 or $5 amount of USDT in BNB. So preview, then you transfer it to BNB. So from here, once you have USDT, you go to wallet and fiat and spot. Okay, so once you're here, you go to withdraw, and as you can see, it said fiat here, so you're going to need to withdraw crypto since it's in USDT. Okay, so since your money is in USDT, you're going to want to find USDT and switch that to select that coin. Now you're going to need a wallet, so preferably you use Metamask. I think that's the only wallet you can use with redlight, so you're going to need to download it, or you can do the Chrome extension, download the Chrome extension for your Metamask. So once you download the Metamask, then you can go onto your Metamask. So if you're not familiar with Metamask, this is the list of your accounts that you have on Metamask. You can create multiple accounts if you want, but the thing that is important right now is that you have the Binance Smart Chain mainnet. So there's multiple mainnets that you can choose. I don't know if at the start you will have the Binance Smart Chain one, so if you don't, then you can go on this website. I will link it in the description, and all you have to do is just connect wallet, then press next and connect. I will not do this since I already connected mine. Now once you have Binance Smart Chain on your Metamask, you just have to go to import tokens to add your USDT token. So you put the contract address that is linked below, and it should autofill these other options, and if it doesn't, you can just do it on your own, but then you just put add custom token and import token. Now you can interact with USDT in your Binance Smart Chain on Metamask. So now you can go back to Binance, and you have to do this for your USDT and also your BNB, since you need BNB to interact on the Binance Smart Chain because you need it for gas, so you have to do both of them. So let's start with USDT first. Now you have to go to Metamask, copy your wallet address, put it there, then you go to network and use BSC since you're using the Binance Smart Chain. Then you put how much you want to withdraw. Let's say 300. You will have a network fee, so not all of your 300 will be imported. So let's say you want to withdraw 300 exactly, then you put a little bit more. Then you just hit withdraw, and it takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and it will be on your Metamask, and it will come here. Now you need to do it for BNB. Now it's a similar process. You just have to go BNB, put the same wallet address, and put it on the BSC. And you can select how much you want to withdraw. Now, like I said, $10 worth of USD should be enough, but even $1 value of even $1 amount of BNB should be fine if you're just going to be using it for the dehedge mint. But to be safe, you can put $5 amount of BNB. So it's the same process. You just go 0.1 for example, and you just withdraw it, and it will come to your wallet. Should be here. Now once you have your BNB and your USDT in your wallet, in your Binance Smart Chain wallet, then you have to import the redlight chain on your wallet. So to do that, you can go on this link. I will link it in the description. So all you have to do is just connect wallet like the other one, select your account and connect, and again I will not do this. So after that, you should be able to see your redlight chain here in your Metamask, and once you have that, you click on it, and you have to import the USDT-R token. So you just go to import tokens. Now you put the contract address for the USDT-R. So I will put this in the description under USDT-R token. Now you can put the token symbol, you can put it USDT-R or whatever you want to call it, and the token decimal should be 0, and then you just put add custom token, but I can't do this because it's already in the Metamask. So then you should be able to see your USDT-R token. Now from there you should go back to your BSC mainnet and go to this website don'tswap.finance. I will link it in the description. Then go to bridge. Now from here you will put how much USDT you want to import from your Binance Smart Chain to your USDT-R. You write 300 here and select USDT-R, then send. Now this is not an automatic process, sometimes it may take a while, depends on how congested it is, but once it's done you should be able to see your USDT-R on your redlight chain. So you just go to redlight chain and you should be able to see your USDT-R here. Now once that's done, all you have to do is go to goldrush.dehedge.fund, scroll down, and you can, if you're whitelisted, you can just claim, and you can reject this. You don't have to put an amount. It's not allowing me to mint since I don't have any USDT-R in my wallet, but you just claim, then you connect your wallet, make sure it's the right wallet, and you just hit next, and you confirm the transaction. But if you want to mint from the phase 1, you just select how much you want. You can do 3, 5, and you just hit mint and confirm the transaction. Then once that's done, all you have to do is just refresh the website and you should see your NFT here. And that's the tutorial on how to mint a Gold Rush dehedge NFT, and good luck on your mints, and yeah, enjoy.